Hello everyone. This video will show how to simplify complex rational expression. So let's go over this example right here. So we are tasked to simplify this given expression up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite it down here. So what I did here was I put an invisible 1 under 4 because that's actually a fraction. The 1 here becomes invisible. So that we're not overwhelmed with this given expression that we have right here, the trick is to cover the denominator and work first on the numerator. So I'm going to go ahead and cover the denominator up here. So we're going to go ahead and work on the numerator. If you look at this expressions that we have right here, they don't have the same denominator. So we have to make sure that their denominators are the same. So what I would do is I will multiply both the numerator and the denominator by x plus 1. And then this is x plus 1 right here to make their denominators even. So that if I do that, our expression would come out. So what I did here was I distributed the 4 to each of the terms inside the parentheses. So 4 times x is 4x, 4 times 1 is 4. So then you notice that they already have the same denominator so that we can go ahead and add them together. So that we can go ahead and distribute the negative here to each of the terms inside the parentheses. So then this would come out. We can go ahead and simplify this. We can combine like terms. So 3 and negative 4. So this would come out. So this is our numerator. So let's now uncover the denominator and work through it. So what we do here is that since they don't have the same denominator, this one has an invisible denominator of 1. So what I would do is I will multiply 12 by x plus 1 to make their denominators even. So that's x plus 1 over x plus 1. So our equation would come out. So what I did here was I distributed the 12 to each of the terms inside the parentheses. So 12 times x is 12x, 12 times 1 is 12. And then they now have a common denominator of x plus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that down here. So we can go ahead and distribute this plus into the x or inside the parentheses and our numerator would come out. Now we're going to combine like terms. In this case here we have 12x and x. So this would come out. And this will be our denominator. So then we go ahead and simplify this further. To do this, we are going to copy the numerator, which is negative 1 minus 4x over x plus 1. And we are going to flip the denominator and we multiply across, which in this case, our x plus 1 is going to go as the numerator, and then the 13x plus 12 will go to the denominator. Now looking at this, we can go ahead and cross out x plus 1 and x plus 1. So this would come out. That would be the leftover on the numerator is negative 1 minus 4x over 13x plus 12. You can take this as the final answer, or we can go ahead and simplify this further so that we don't get a negative. So this can also be expressed as take the negative out, and then that would be 4x plus 1, and that is over 13x plus 12. So this could be the other answer to this. So that is how we simplify this given rational expression that we have up here.